Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. Thanks so much for checking in. This video is all about CHF, congestive heart failure, diuretics, and potassium-rich food sources. So if you do have CHF, your doctor may prescribe you a diuretic. What a diuretic does is helps your body excrete excess fluid that is accumulating in your body. So with that fluid, potassium may also be getting lower in your body. So it's important to make sure you do eat potassium-rich foods. So foods such as bananas and oranges, orange juice, tomato juice, dried fruits such as prunes and raisins and dates, sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, mushrooms, peas, pumpkins, beans, and lentils. A note on lentils and beans: if you buy packaged or prepared lentils, you want to check the sodium content. I'm going to talk about sodium and fluid in another video about CHF, but you want to make sure that there isn't too much sodium in the packaged lentils. So a good tip, instead of worrying so much about the milligrams of sodium, when you look at the food label, look at the percent. 5% or less is low, 20% or more is high. So if you find something that's packaged as lentils, it's seasoned, things like that, it may have 30% sodium. So that's a very high sodium food. And beans, same thing. If you can buy no added salt canned beans or reduced sodium or low sodium beans, again, turn the food label over. If it's no added salt, there should be no sodium in it, or there might be a little bit for what's naturally occurring in the beans, but there isn't any added. And then again, check the percent. 5% or less is low, 20% or more is high. So again, all of those foods are great sources of potassium. So make sure you are eating them on a regular basis if your doctor has prescribed you a diuretic. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find me on Facebook, Jenny PRD. You can find me on Instagram, Jenny PRD, Food is Fuel. I have links in my description box below if you want to connect there. Definitely leave me some comments of other nutrition topics you want to learn about. And thank you so much for watching. Quick shout out to my Fat to Fit weight loss group on Facebook. And remember that your body is a temple, so you got to treat it well. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.